I can't show you my tattoo because it's in a place that the internet should not see, but my TubeBuddy tattoo is testament to my love for the product. I use it pretty much every day and I'm always recommending it to people. On Facebook groups, I often see it get some stick, but I feel the reason for this is it can be like a power tool. If you give a power tool to a toddler and ask them to drill a hole, there's going to be a whole heap of trouble. They just don't know how to use it, but then they blame the tool. Give it to Tim, the toolman Taylor from Home Improvements, and he's going to make you a lovely birdhouse. And you're going to want to show your neighbours your birdhouse. Now, until recently, I'd recommended that if you take the paid upgrade and you're a small channel, you should really just stick to the $9 or $19 options. The SEO tools alone are worth every penny. I made another video about choosing between these two, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on that now. Now, however, TubeBuddy have gone all Terminator 2 on us and have brought in the Amazon AI to their Legend package, and my word, it has changed everything.
Seeking below average click-through rates.
So let's start with the reason I think you should upgrade to the Legend package now. Robots, otherwise known as Click Magnet. You access it in the drop-down menu on your browser, and right now it's in beta, or beta, however you want to say it. Click the only button you have and let Skynet do its thing. So this is basically next level thumbnail data you're about to see. Once it's finished analysing your thumbnails, these 4 options appear. Power ranking is first, click it. Here you see stats on your video that show your power ranking. So you can see a video's click-through rate with its watch time data and then clicks. There's this traffic light system that ranks each of these sections too. So you simply scroll down, and if you see a video with green by the watch time and any other colour other than green by the click-through rate, then you know that the video is doing a great job when people do watch it, but not enough people are clicking on it to give it the real reach it deserves. Now, because I'm a nerd, I've been tracking this on a spreadsheet myself over the last year, and I can tell you now, going back and changing your older video titles and thumbnails with good watch times and low click-through rates does help get them seen, rank, suggested, you name it. Now, I've seen some, not all of the tests rank on search, and nothing went viral, but things have picked up steam after doing this. So this is amazing. You can re-optimize previous posts to make sure they don't go to waste, and man, I have a lot of wasted content and a lot of work to do. This dropdown also allows you to pick the data from search, suggested, or browse features, but it gets better. Click on click-through rate opportunities, and TubeBuddy have done the hard work for you. It lists the opportunities you have from the highest to the lowest, meaning you don't need to scroll through your data to work out which ones to target first. You can see that opportunity is ranked very highly here on this example, and this video performs well. Oh yes, it still gets better. You can then create an A/B test of your thumbnail to make sure that you get it right too. Now, you've always actually been able to do this on TubeBuddy's Legend package, but having that button right there next to your biggest opportunities is levels of user experience even Amazon would envy. Now, I would say that obviously the title plays a big part in your click-through rate too, so go back and look at your keywords because we can't really just rely on the images to do all of the hard work. So those features alone are worth the upgrade. But Click Magnet gets better. Honestly, this blew my mind. Click Element Inspector. So you might be thinking, sure, I can see I need to sort out my thumbnails, but what do I do to make them better? Well, this is where you'll have all your questions answered. Element Inspector starts with showing you how well your thumbnails perform by looking at your face versus no face featuring on them. We've known for a while that faces get more clicks on thumbnails. YouTube even tells us that, but this is solid proof. The next section you can click on is emotion, and the AI has worked out what emotion you have on your face in your thumbnail and shows you how well your videos performed based on that emotion. Then there is sizes. My videos perform better when my face is further away from the camera. My face is stopping people clicking. Next, we have text versus no text. And this kind of surprised me. The final section, and man, this is good, is what words get more clicks. I feel like I've been given an unfair advantage with this product now. I finally have more of an understanding of how to react to my thumbnails. And then there's the advanced analytics. So you can see your clicks, views, view percentage, watch time, click-through rate, and power rank. So you click your power rank, and there, out of your last 50 videos, are your worst ones. Now, this comes as no surprise to me because that video wasn't made for search. The thing is performing really well on LinkedIn. Yes, I use LinkedIn. You can add me if you like. Name's Ed Lawrence. Nice to meet you. It's also the most responded to video we sent to our email list over the course of 2020. Yes, we've got an email list. You can join it if you like. www.businessfilmbrief.com. It's in the footer. So knowing that this video is a hit, how do I change it to get more views? This is really giving me something to think about. You can also search by the video's first 24 hours, 7 days, 14 days, and so on, and then by minimum impressions. TubeBuddy, this is fantastic, and it notes it might not be 100% accurate right now, but I feel it's very close. So that's why, look at me pretending I know about tech. So that's why you should upgrade to the Legend package. Let's have a look at why else you should. I mean, there's a lot of features. I'm not going to list them all, just the ones that I think really make this even better value compared to the other packages. So Auto Translator translates your video titles and descriptions into other languages. So if you have a multilingual channel, this is really handy. I know that the Star package has this next feature, but you can publish videos to Facebook too, which means you don't have to do multiple uploads. And then it's just the reams of extra data you can analyze. So you can monitor your competition's channel to see how you compare to their views, subscribers, uploads, and it's all in a handy tab. Although is competition right? We're all friends here on YouTube, right? No? Oh, maybe I'm just a massive hippie then. You can compare how individual videos performed, the comments, likes, dislikes, and engagement. You can also get alerts when your competition upload and export your comments and have your video's retention analysed. So all of that data is in one really easy place to absorb. But for me right now, if you have cash and you're serious about your channel, the reason to upgrade to the Legend package alone is ClickMagnet. It's so good, everything else that you pay for almost seems like an add-on. If you want to learn more about TubeBuddy, this video here will walk you through the free version and the first 2 price points in their packages to help you decide. Now I'd better go because I've got a lot of work to do, thanks to ClickMagnet, thanks. So I guess that's the only con. Hit subscribe as we release 3 videos a week on video marketing, YouTube, presenting, promotion, and reviews just like this. Or don't, I can't force you, but Skynet can.
Subscribe or I will annihilate you.